Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a problem that many our users might encounter. The problem is how to find the inverse function of gamma in order to retrieve a specific output. Specifically, we want to know how to get the input value of 5 when the output is 24 using gamma. Sounds challenging, right? Let's talk about the solution now. One way to tackle this is by defining a new function called invgamma in R. This function utilizes uniroot to calculate the root of gamma x, where represents the number we want to find the input for. By setting the function up this way, we can easily obtain the input value of 5 when the output is 24 using the invgamma function. Pretty neat solution, don't you think? Continuing with the solution, we can further enhance the invgamma function by vectorizing it using Vectorize. By vectorizing the function, we can efficiently calculate the input values for multiple output numbers at once. This allows us to find the input values for 6, 24, and 120 simultaneously, making our function even more versatile and powerful. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. In conclusion, we've successfully addressed the problem of finding the inverse function of gamma in R by creating a custom invgamma function and enhancing it with vectorization. This approach enables us to effortlessly determine the input values corresponding to specific output numbers, making our programming tasks much more manageable. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious and keep coding with a smile.